was just here. It is literally night outside. It's like 9:30. She came like at 7 with my aunt, of course. And so, wow, her eyes are really pretty. Anyways, so she came over. She came into... These are my eraser scissors. Where's the other half? Okay, she came over. She usually plays in my sister's room because there's not a lot of stuff. And, she just likes it there, or she just plays in the living room. But today I left my door open, which I usually close. But I left it open figuring she might not come, and she came, and I was like, okay, whatever. But then she opened and closed the doors, and... But honestly, I have some friends who are like my age, and they came over, and they also made a mess with my doll stuff. And I didn't really bother too much, but whoa, this is way worse. And look at Rebecca. Poor Rebecca. And by the way, you've probably, in the videos I post, or is going to post, but because of the time I'm recording this, you might have already seen them, all of my dolls in this exact outfit, probably 3 to 4 times, because this is for stop motion, and I've just been busy for once, so I haven't been filming stop motions. I haven't filmed a stop motion in like almost 3 weeks. Oh, wowzers. Anyways, I'm recording this now at like 9 o'clock, because they left, and I'm recording it, so then, oh, I can clean up this mess. And the worst part is I cleaned it today. Like, not cleaned it, but like organized it and made it all pretty. I wish I could have a before picture, but I'm just I'll start cleaning tomorrow.
Okay, so it's the next day. It is currently 10:50. No, I did not just wake up. I woke up like 3 hours ago, almost 4, I think. I don't know. And the first thing I'm gonna do probably is get out the big stuff, like
move the dogs, maybe grab all the stuffed animals, and then and like I think I'm gonna do that first, because
that will get rid of most of the stuff. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and as you can tell, it seems much nicer. I just have a mess right here. This is where my camera stays, by the way. So now I think I'm just gonna like get all my clothes, and all the clothes that are out,
most of them were on the top bunk up in there where poor Rebecca. Anyways, they were just like chilling on the top there, very neatly though. And the reason why it's for stop motion, that will be coming out soon, hopefully, if I find time, and if I'm not a lazy chicken again. So I think I'm gonna
sort out the clothes and then just pick up a bunch of random knickknacks. Then yeah. Oh, this is mine. Okay, I see some improvement. And since I don't want y'all just to see me film, just like watch me cleaning stuff, personally I love videos like that. I'm not sure about y'all. Y'all seem to enjoy my stop motions more. Sorry I haven't been posting them as often, as I'm just a mess. So
I'm going to teach you how to organize. I'm very good at organizing. I don't stay organized for long, but I always reorganize everything and stuff. So I think I have like a right, or like it's okay for me to give you tips and stuff like that. So I have 2 bins here, and I just remembered I put them in, and I had a rubber band tying them closed. She took it out. How dare she? Anyways. Okay, so a tip of advice is to get stuff organized in groups, okay? So you can tell, like, just looking in here, you can comment down below if you want what you think this drawer is and what this is. And I'm going to pour them all out, and then I'm going to tell you what it is, so there's really no point in commenting. But if you want to comment like, oh my gosh, I was right, and I don't know. What I have is the top drawer is the electronic drawer, where I usually put all my doll phones and stuff. And the bottom is my art supplies, because as you can tell, I have quite a bit of cute art supplies, including little scissors. They're so cute. I love them so much. And so that's how I organize my stuff. Like, I have some iPads that they never use, but they might use their stop motion, or I might just give it to some of my friends. Anyway, so that goes. This is just a craft drawer. I can tell because there's a ruler stuck to the bottom. What I'll do is I always put like the biggest electronic device at the bottom. So this is a very big computer. It's very cute. It comes with this desk set from our generation. I totally recommend it. It was such a win, honestly. So I would put all my electronic stuff together. Then I put all like my books. Like these could be my doll's coloring books. I don't know. And they just chill. So when it comes to organizing, you should always put it in groups. Like I have a whole section dedicated for all my lipsticks. Actually, it's not all of it because I have quite a bit. And then I have like, you always get like anything you can to store stuff. Like up here, this is where I store all our pajamas, school stuff, and clothes and stuff. And then just be organized on what you can be organized with. Like here, like I have a lot of mini stuff, and I recommend putting them in drawers. It's very helpful. Also, if you don't have like enough storage space like I do, I am very fortunate, and I have a lot of stuff to put my storage in. Like I have my clothes there, and then I have all there's doll stuff, more doll stuff, and little storage in there, in here obviously, in there, in here, in there. So I'm very lucky to have a lot of storage space. But if you are not as lucky as I am and do not have a lot of storage space, the tip what you could do is just grab any box sort, or you can go to Walmart and get, I hope you can see this, it's like a little storage container. It's very small, and that's where you can put a bunch of knickknacks. I have another tip for y'all, and you can use this in like outside of like doll stuff if you want. You can always make your bed first, because then it automatically just makes everything so much easier, and you can always like put stuff on it as like a meeting spot. But for me, since my doll stuff was such a mess, I just organized it, like get all the stuffed animals together, blankets and pillows, they stay together, get all the clothes, pets and stuffed animals, or I don't know. So just stuff like that you could always do when organizing, just like group stuff up and then put them in their proper place, aka their little home.
So I finished, So I finished cleaning. Everything is so much nicer. So I put all the pictures back where it was, folded that, put my dolls in position, organized that. And it all looks so much nicer. And I'm just very happy with this overall. And now that my area is clean and there's actually some pretty good lighting outside, I think I'm going to start filming a stop motion. So yeah, look forward for that. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye. Allie, I'm recording. Oh, I forgot to put pause. Oops.
So, this is a future iPhone in making. Anyway, so
I say anyways a lot. I need help. Anyway, so look at this mini paintbrush. It's so cute. So, what am I saying?
by yourself, which I do. I enjoy it personally. Or you can just watch some YouTube videos. I recommend mine. They're all amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness. That's... Man, I had to sneeze.